Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're unboxing an item from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami Cherry Blossom collection. Now, this collection had its fair share of snafus upon launch, but I was able to pick up these sneakers. Now, unfortunately, I did try them on and they were just a smidge too small for me, so I will be sending them back. But nonetheless, we got to take a look at the Cherry Blossom collection and just see what it's all about. Now, I felt like the packaging was pretty underwhelming. I figured, there was probably a better chance that we might get some of the themed packaging with this collection, given how much time they've had to prepare and how much opportunity they've had to see reviews. But nonetheless, I got all standard packaging. I was hopeful for some tissue paper, but of course we also didn't get that. So in any case, just a kind of underwhelming experience, but just, what more can we say about it? Now, I've never bought shoes from Louis Vuitton before, so I didn't understand that this was a slide open box. So just keep that in mind, that one does exist. And then it does come with 2 dust bags to individually hold the shoes. And I must say, in person, they are beautiful. I personally like these a lot better than the multicolor sneakers. I know that a lot of folks like the multicolor sneakers, but I think the white with the few cherry blossoms is just a little bit crisper. It's a little bit more plain. Now, it kind of looks like it had a little buckling there, but I'm not sure if I'm just being nitpicky. And I really liked the Louis Vuitton inscription on the side there. It does have a gold script Louis Vuitton right on the side, but it doesn't, scream it too loud. It does scream it pretty loud on the tongue, so keep that in mind. And then you also have the number 54, which I believe is the founder year. Inside you do have that authentication number, and just taking a look at the rest of the details, you do have mixed media on this. So it looks like there is the empreinte leather on the side and the tongue, and even on the toe box. And then you also have the smooth material. I'm not sure if these are completely leather. Chime in below if you do know. But it just has a lot of diverse materials on here. And then the white with just hot pink really pops very nicely. So overall, I really liked these sneakers. I loved the Vuitton on the bottom as well. I thought that they really did, a lot of good design with this one. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like these? How do you think they compare to the Murakami in the multicolor? Have you tried these on and are they actually comfortable? Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.